This podcast is sponsored by Pooks.ai. Dive into a revolutionary reading experience with personalized ebooks and audiobooks, tailored just for you. Discover your next favorite book at Pooks.ai for free. That's POOKS.ai.
Engaging learning environment, project-based learning benefits. Discover the value of project-based learning as it inspires engagement, critical thinking, and personal learning in today's educational landscape. The power of project-based learning. Bye for now. Picture this. Instead of students sitting in their chairs, passively absorbing information from their textbooks, they're out solving real-world problems. They might be designing a sustainable garden for the community, creating campaigns to raise awareness about environmental issues, or even building robots. Sounds cool, right? That's project-based learning in action. But you might wonder, why shift to project-based learning when the traditional way has worked for so long? The simple answer is, it prepares students for the future by equipping them with the skills they need in real life. And let's face it, the world doesn't function in neatly divided subjects like math or science. It's all intertwined. Project-based learning bridges those gaps, encouraging students to think across disciplines and come up with innovative solutions. Breaking down the benefits. There are several reasons why project-based learning is incredibly beneficial. Engagement. Projects are often more engaging than traditional classroom activities because they have a real-world relevance that captures students' interest and encourages them to see the bigger picture. Critical thinking. When faced with solving a real problem, students need to think critically, develop strategies, and analyze potential solutions, skills they will use throughout their lives. Collaboration. Project-based learning often involves teamwork, mirroring the collaborative environment of a workplace, and teaching students how to work effectively with others. Adaptable learning. Every student learns differently, and project-based learning lets students take ownership of their personal learning environment, adjusting their approach according to their strengths and preferences. Moreover, with advances in technology, project-based learning is even more effective. The use of AI in education is allowing for personalized learning experiences that adapt to the needs of each student. For instance, AI can offer instant feedback or suggest resources tailored to a student's learning style and pace, further enhancing the personalized education experience. Connecting projects with personal interests. One of the greatest perks of project-based learning is its ability to tie into students' personal interests. This approach allows students to explore their passions and encourages personal learning in a way traditional methods may not. Imagine a student who loves video games being able to create an educational game on historical events. They're learning about history through something they already love. That's the magic. Speaking of personalized interests, there's this fantastic tool I came across called Pooks.ai. It's a platform where you can create your own personalized book for free. How awesome is that? Imagine students making their own learning journals, customized to their experiences and projects. It's a creative and fun way to document and reflect on their learning journey. So if you're curious, check it out and see what you can create. Just the beginning. At the end of the day, project-based learning is more than a buzzword. It's an educational approach that seeks to make learning relevant and engaging, preparing students for the complexities of the real world. As the educational landscape continues to embrace innovation and technology like AI, projects will become even more dynamic and customizable to student needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you're as excited as I am about the possibilities of project-based learning. Keep pushing the boundaries, and remember, learning is an adventure, one project at a time.